Hey, Graham McCreary with Injury Compensation Law. This is for all of you out there that have come to my website and clicked on our chat asking about how much your claim is worth or asking for a free case review. First of all, we have another video on claim valuation, and I'm here to give you a general idea of how we do case reviews. Obviously, you'll have to actually call me and talk to me or my partner Sabrina or one of our staff to go over the details. Standard disclaimer, this is not legal advice. I am not your attorney. These facts and the analysis can change based on a lot of different factors in your case. So give us a call. Happy to do a free consultation, and we can go over it in a little bit more detail. But as a general overview, the value of your case is based on a bunch of different benefits. You know, you're going to have potentially off-work benefits called temporary disability, which is 2/3 of your average wages. And those can go for up to 2 years. You are also going to have medical benefits. Obviously, that's not money in your pocket, but having medical care covered is worth a bunch of money when it comes to not only your treatment, but also future medical care for the rest of your life when you get a settlement. You could also negotiate a buyout of your future medical care. You are also going to have permanent disability. If you have any lingering effects from your injury. You know, if you get injured and you get back to 100%, then you're just going to have 0% permanent disability. You'll get your treatment done, you'll get your temporary disability, but at the end of the case, you're not going to get a big settlement because you're back to 100%, probably back to your job, you're doing just fine. If you do have ongoing permanent disability, that is actually a percentage for each body part that is worth a certain amount of money. So, for example, the doctors might write a final report that says 2% for the knee tear, plus 5% for neurological issues, and then we change that into permanent disability based on your age and your occupation. For example, somebody that is perhaps working construction might get a higher permanent disability for their knees and their back versus somebody that is working an office job and doesn't use those body parts as much. However, that office job would get higher permanent disability, for example, carpal tunnel, versus some other jobs that maybe don't use their wrists and hands as much. In addition, you have the future medical care for the rest of your life for body parts that have permanent disability. Now, that can be either left open, so you keep going through work comp doctors for that future medical treatment for the rest of your life. They go through the same procedures where they request authorization for treatment. You know, it's accepted or denied by insurance, and then you get it done through work comp insurance. The other option is to have a buyout of future medical care, where you get not only your permanent disability payout, but you also get a lump sum buyout of future medical care. If, for example, we calculate that over the next 30 years of your life, it's going to cost the insurance company, let's say $30,000 to give you future medical care, you know, they're going to start at a low-ball lump sum offer of maybe $5,000 to $10,000. Obviously, we would start a negotiation at $20,000 to $30,000, and we work somewhere in between that is a happy medium for everybody, so that you can get that tax-free lump sum paid out, and then you just have to pay for your own future medical care. Of course, that's completely up to you, completely optional. You know, if you want, the only thing that you can never be forced into is settling your permanent disability and keeping future medical care open. On top of that, there may be additional benefits if you, for example, lose your job. That can include getting what's called a supplemental job displacement voucher, which can give you training at local community colleges or regular colleges, pay for a laptop, pay for some school supplies, and then the state of California also has a return to work supplement program that can give you $5,000 on top of your settlement if you happen to lose your job. Or can't go back to your job due to your injuries. So really, the analysis on how much your case is worth and getting a free claim review, we really need to talk in person. We need to go over each type of benefits, and there can be exceptions to these benefits. There can be different rules for police officers, firefighters, stuff like that. There can be separate rules based on your employer's contract with you. There can be additional benefits if you have short-term or long-term disability through your employer. So give us a call. Our number is 888-OMG-OUCH. I know it's a ridiculous phone number. We also have a regular phone number, 619-550-2111. Set up a consult with me and my partner, Sabrina. We'd be happy to go over everything with you, answer some questions, and sign you up if you need help. Have a good day.